Yo, what's up guys? Grouchy Grinch here. Today, I'm going to be durability testing this. So I got this on a clearance sale for $4, and I figured that'd be a great thing to do durability tests on. So, let's get started. Before we do the basic tests, we got to get it out of its box. So let's grab some tools, shall we? There we go. Alright, let's pick it. Alright, let's pick it up. It is really dirty. Let's give it a little clean. There we go. Nice and new. Now let's start with the basic tests. Level 1. Level 2. Now ceiling height. Oops. As you can see, it survived those perfectly fine as usual. Alright, here I am inside the storage room to do the hard floor tests. These are going to definitely deal a lot more damage to this thing than the carpet tests. Let's get in. Level 1. Level 2. Ceiling height. Alright. Doesn't seem to have taken as much damage as I thought it would. This is a little bent, but we can just push it back into place. Now, I'm going to try different things. Hard floor drop, face down. Now the face is up. Now on its side. Now we'll do the side one more time. Didn't quite land on its side. Let's try that again. There we go. This got bent again. There we go. It looks pretty good otherwise. Let's see how it stands against yanking stuff out. Of course, it's perfectly fine. Alright, now it's dark and you're trying to plug in the nightlight and you can't see, so it's really hard. There we go. Didn't take any damage. Whoa. Now, because I'm running out of ideas, I'm going to whack it with a tool. Alright, I guess it's time for the staircase test, because I'm not doing water tests on this thing. Let's go. Bruh, this ain't stopping till you make it to the bottom. Alright, let's check the results. So it got pretty dirty, but otherwise it didn't get too damaged. Alright, let's see if it still works. Yay, that works. Let's try a different spot. That works too. Alright. I honestly I honestly have ran out of ideas for this thing. And I don't know what to do next. So I'm just going to do a bunch of random tests. Enjoy. Alright guys, it has taken some damage. As you can see, there's a bunch of scratches, that little black mark, there's that there, some marks around here. Not too much damage on the back though. Alright, let's try plugging it in and seeing if it still works. Okay, let's try a different one. And it still works. Alright. Alright guys, that is about all the tests that I'm going to be doing for now. Before we get into anything else, it's about time we do the epic montage. So let's get right into it. Enjoy. Alright guys, that was the epic montage. As you can see, it took a lot more damage, some more marks on front. The back still looks pretty fine though. This thing seems to be pretty durable. Let's see if it still works. Alright, and it seems to be working still. Let's move on to the next part. Daddy! Oh, what is it now, son? Daddy, the outlet is evil! What? Oh boy. It has a face and it's staring at me! Daddy, you need to get rid of it! Alright, fine. There. Daddy, it'll crawl out of my garbage can and eat me at night with its weird mouth thing. Alright then. Fine, I'll get rid of it for real then. This darn kid. Always asking me to do stuff for him. Alright. This should do the trick. Alright, son, I'm gonna destroy it now. And die! Die, 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 die! Yeah, Dad. Kill it! Kill it! Die! Die! Alright, son. I think it's dead. Thank you, Daddy. Now I can finally go to sleep and be safe. You're welcome, son. Now, I'm gonna dispose of this properly so it never hurts you again. Thanks, Dad. Alright. So that's that. Took a bit of damage from that hammer. As you can see. Well, can't see really. It's a little scratched up though. It's hard to see on the camera. And once again, the back is still fine. Let's make sure it still works. Come on, get in there, yeah. Alright. Slot 1. Huh? Well, it still works, but... Interesting. Oh, there we go, it went in. Slot 1 works. Slot 2 works. Slot 3. Slot 4. Slot 5. And slot 6. Yep, it still all works. I can't really think of any more tests to do for this thing. So, yeah. This is a good product. Strong. Has survived all those tests and it still works perfectly fine. These, I don't know what they're called, but they get bent easily, although you can just bend them back into place and it works fine. So, yeah, the Master Electrician Indoor Wall Adapter with 6 outlets. That I would recommend if you want to buy it, because it seems to be really strong and durable. I guess we'll have to see how durable it is when we do the other half of the video, because we still have to do more tests. That's right. I'm going to finally bring back the summer-themed tests. The baseball, the golf club, everything. So this may have survived the baby-level tests, but do you think it can survive the summer-themed tests? Before we start the summer-themed tests, I'm going to drop this thing a couple more times. Oh no. Still works though. Alright guys, I'm out in my backyard now. I'm ready to do the summer test. So, the first summer theme test, even though it's not a summer test, I forgot that I was supposed to do this. The long throw test down my backyard. So let's get that out of the way quickly. Okay guys. 3, 2. Oh, I didn't throw that very hard, but it still got some distance, so I'll let that count. One of these days, I'm going to throw it all the way to the woods. Okay, of course, it didn't take any damage. Alright, now we can officially start the summer tests. And of course, here to help me with the summer tests, we got Raylan.
What is goody, my gang? Get your money up, not your funny up, you dig?
Okay, guys. To start the summer test, we're doing summer-themed stuff, so sports. So we're doing baseball first. Alright, Raylan. Let me detach this. There you go. Let's go. Go!
That's a dinger!
Okay, let's check. Doesn't seem
Hey,
to
did I
have
chip that
taken...
off?
Nope.
Oh.
Didn't take any damage. Try again.
Round 2.
Nope, nothing.
Or just a scratch there.
No, that's always been there.
Oh, steady sprinkle.
Oh shoot, one more time. Hurry it up. Okay, that was the last John. Okay, golf. Go. The golf one always does one down. There we go. Let's see if we can pop that back together.
I hope so.
Well, guys, it's ruined. I can't get it to go back together. If it would even fit in my outlet, I don't know if that would be safe. So, yeah, I'm just gonna count this as destroyed. So there, it survived all those tests that we just showed. In the end, the master electrician outlet wall adapter thing is a pretty good quality. I'd recommend it, unless it's like super expensive. We will finish destroying this later in the video. See you then. Alright guys, well, it's been at least a week since the last time I filmed a take in this, but we're gonna do the golf test one more time. Okay, Raylan.
Golfer up. Ay, caramba.
I figured it was gonna break.
One foot went like under the two and
Bro, alright. Alright, guys.
bah humbug.
It's, well, it can...
Oh, earthquake!
Swear to God. Okay, guys, so... It's falling apart in my hands.
I just fell.
We're gonna skip... Alright, guys, even though it's already almost August, we're gonna skip the rest of the summer tests, get to the toss test, and finish this thing off. Alright, let's go.
It is not.
Alright, let's get started. Let's go.
Huh? Tossy Lossy. That was very bad.
Come on.
Sammy?
Alright. Alright.
Shut up.
Come on. Come on. No, this is never gonna get enough. Okay, break it. Just,
I'm a kid.
you gotta use both hands.
Okay.
No!
Ready?
Yeah. It can't be that hard. Okay, enough. Alright, I'm gonna set this off to the side for now. Let's focus our attention to this piece. Yes, we already did something to it. Haha. Do something to it.
Okay. Oh. Yeah.
Do it. Pop this off. Alright guys, I'm lazy today, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Guys, look, Smashing Rock Jr. Go! Yes, we just need a whole... Alright, that's a good way to end it. Say goodbye, Raylan.
See you later!
Alright guys, that's where I'm going to end today's durability testing episode. Here are the final results. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Well, I think that was a pretty fun, sure was a fun episode of durability testing. What do you think? Alright guys, that's where I'm going to end today's episode of durability testing. That was durability testing a power outlet adapter extender largifier thing. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!